Welcome. If you want to change theme in your LG K41s, for the first you have to enter settings, and right now let's click on the display, and right here we have to enter wallpaper and theme. Click on the theme right here, and we can change for this one, so let's tap on the apply. Now just wait a little bit. And let's go back to the main screen. And this is how our theme has changed. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.